Oh my God, running ads is so expensive. Actually, it's not. Let me tell you why. Before we get into it, I'm Press Rogers and I help online entrepreneurs learn how to drive more people and profit to their business with Pinterest ads. Here's the thing, ads can get expensive if you have set them up incorrectly. So that means if you have not set your ads up to be effective with a strategy that does more than just put the ad out there, throw some money behind it, and hope and pray, then yes, they can get very expensive. However, if you understand what you need to do as far as like, what are you going to do with this data that you're collecting? How are you going to actually hone in on it and, improve what you're seeing? How are you going to improve the process that's happening? Making sure that you're targeting the right people, making sure that you're retargeting people, making sure that you actually have a strategy in place, a funnel in place, and all the key things you need in place to actually benefit from running ads. Yes, ads can be expensive, but when done correctly, ads can be such a great investment into your business that's going to bring you a great return on your investment. If you want more tips, follow me.